Hello and welcome to a new episode of Microwave Me. We just crossed 1 million views, and it's thanks to you, the viewers, for making it possible. To celebrate this milestone, I'm going to do something never been done before. I'm not going to just microwave ping pong balls, I'm going to microwave ping pong balls in 2 microwaves at once. Okay, here's the ping pong balls, and this is going to be the final send-off for Anna and Elsa, who are way too filthy to see inside anymore. That was lame. Well, that's it for Anna and Elsa, and this is why. Bit of a little excitement after all. The battle of the empty spray bottle, and empty spray bottle wins. And they sort of went off inside of Anna. Elsa had the best result. I don't know if you can tell, but I had to use steel wool and tinfoil to cheat to get these fuckers to go off. This is a really shitty episode. I'm sorry, my 1 million view special, a unique thing I've been looking forward to for a long time. It's a worthless piece of shit episode. This is almost like a big fuck you to my viewers, even though it ain't meant to be. You know what? Think of it as a fuck you to my inactive subscribers that don't watch any of my goddamn videos. They subscribe and they add to my subtotal, thinking I guess I'll sub them back. And time to go on a little bit of a tangent. I don't do sub for sub. I never have, I never will. It's pointless. Doesn't get you any active viewers. All it does is get you some pointless bragging rights. Now, to the million of you that actually watch my videos, thank you. Yes, even to the morons that left stupid comments, you added to the total and you helped make me a little money so I can continue doing this. Okay, my verdict on this. This thing was a stupid idea, but in general I'm going to have to say putting ping pong balls in a microwave is pretty dangerous, so I'm just going to go with dangerous. Just because these microwaves suck don't mean it's safe. Oh, again, thank you for watching my show, and I might do another one of these when I get to 2 million views or 100,000 subscribers or whatever.